Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a new recipe. I think the recipe is not new for you, but I'm going to add something new, which is the noodles. I'm going to make the meatballs using the spaghetti and the noodles. And here we go, let's talk about the ingredients. Today we are going to have a 300 grams of ground beef, a chopped onion, and also we need more chopped onions here. Maybe this is a small one and this is a bigger one. We need also chopped parsley, breadcrumbs, 4 cloves of garlic. We need a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of pimento. We also need salt and black pepper. I'm going to use the ملوخية knife in order to chop the onion more. I want to make it softer. Here we go, this is the result that we are looking for. First I will add the ground beef in the bowl, and we need 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and we'll add the chopped onions, the soft one, the parsley, and we need to add half of the amount of garlic. And we need to add salt, almost a teaspoon of salt. And we need to add black pepper. And mix the ingredients very well. One egg. I want to add more of the breadcrumbs. Now it's ready. And now we need to make the balls themselves. I think this size is fair. I want to add some flour on the top of them. The pan is ready on medium fire. Now it's ready. Now we add some of the vegetable oil in the pan. We add the leftover garlic. We add the onions. For this stage, we'll need dried mint. We need dried red pepper. We need garlic powder. And we need the spices that are already in the noodles. Also, we'll use this oil. This oil have some spices already. Now we'll add tomato. We'll add a tablespoon of mint. We'll add a tablespoon of ground red pepper. Some garlic powder. Some salt. And some black pepper. And now we'll add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Now I'm going to add the meatballs. Now I put fire on low. I'll cover the pan. I'll add some little bit of mint. And now it's ready. Now we are going to prepare the spaghetti. I put water and salt here, and I'd like to add the spaghetti. I'm not going to add the noodles because noodles need less time to be cooked, so I'll add them later. Okay, after 10 minutes we can add the noodles on the top of the spaghetti. After 5 minutes, it's ready.